In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to add Doordash to tax return. Firstly, make sure you have the latest version installed of the Dasher app. Tap on View Payout Details, then tap Tax Documents. Use the drop-down to select 2024 or 2025, then tap on the 1099 NEC from the menu that appears. Tap the share icon at the top right to save, print, or email your tax form. If you're filing tax yourself in the tax software like TurboTax, H&R, Block, or TaxAct, go to the Self-Employment or 1099 NEC section. Enter the info exactly as it appears on your 1099 NEC from the stripe. Report any business-related expenses. If you're using a taxpayer, share the download 1099 NEC PDF with them. To reduce your taxable income, keep records of mileage, phone, internet costs, or hotpacks, gas, and car maintenance. If you earned less than $600, you might not get 1099, but you're still required to report your income. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.